Namaste friends, this is Ram Gupta, senior meditation teacher from Meditation School, Sri Mahesh Heritage, Rishikesh, India. The entire world is facing crisis of COVID-19 because of coronavirus. We hope you are following the guideline given by your government and staying safe at home. For many people, fear of the disease may be worse than the disease itself. Fear and anxiety may multiplied manifold, especially when you are watching the headlines on your TV screen and wondering what is going to happen next. So it is the time we wish to offer some positive affirmative support to all our friends across the world. There are many simple and effective ways to manage your fears and anxiety. You need to work on your immune system to fight against this virus and manage your fear and anxiety. Let's talk about some practical tips. You can apply them in your daily life. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing we advise you to do, drink 1 or 2 glasses of warm water immediately. And drink it slowly, sip by sip. Do not drink immediately or quickly directly. Take time. You must know that when you drink water in the morning, empty stomach and without feeling any thirst, this water goes in your system and works as flush on your digestive system and making the defecation process easy. Then take time around 15 to 20 minutes to do some physical workout. Practicing yoga is the best physical workout. You can choose sun salutation practice starting from 2 rounds and gradually day by day increasing up to the 8 rounds. Some standing yoga posture with nice stretch like Trikonasana. After standing postures, you may lie down and practice Halasana, Sarvangasana, Setubandhasana, Bhujangasana, Salavasana, Dhanurasana, giving some time on each posture and staying the posture for few relaxed breathings. Do not miss Shavasana at the end of your yoga practice. When you are relaxing in Shavasana, make sure you make your body completely stable and relax, free from all voluntary movements. Shavasana is not only relax your muscles, joints and ligaments, it also relax your thoughts, anxiety and worries. You can see the effect of Shavasana in couple of days of time. It's wonderful, especially when you end your practice with Shavasana. Spend around 10 minutes in Shavasana. If it is not possible from the day one, maybe slowly increase the time of Shavasana from 2 minutes to 10 minutes. Do take your time to understand these instructions. Find the best practices as per your body type and suitability. We hope they will be of great use. We will be shortly bring you some more instructions, guided audios or the videos. Be sending you our collective prayers for your safety and well-being. Namaste. Hari Om.